Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been using Ollama Code Review for the past few weeks, and honestly, it's been a pretty interesting ride. I came across it while looking for an automated way to review pull requests, something that could help me catch common issues like small logic errors, missing documentation, or inconsistent patterns, or even just give me a second opinion before merging code. If you've ever pushed a change and thought, "This looks fine, I think," you know why that second set of eyes matters. The idea of having an AI model do that directly inside GitHub sounded too good not to try, especially for solo developers or small teams. So basically, Ollama Code Review is a GitHub action that uses large language models to automatically analyze your pull requests as soon as they're opened or updated. It checks code changes line by line, adds comments directly on the diff, even gives a little risk assessment score so you can quickly see which changes might need extra attention. On top of that, it can translate reviews into different languages while keeping all the technical terms intact, which is great if you're working with international collaborators. It's definitely aimed at developers or teams who want to streamline the code review process without giving up control over quality or visibility. When I first set it up, I used a local Ollama server, which is a big plus if you care about privacy and keeping your code off third-party cloud services. It took me maybe 10 minutes to configure everything, setting up the Ollama API URL, connecting my GitHub token, and choosing which model to use. I went with the Q and 2.5 coder model for review and X1 3.5 for translations, and surprisingly, it worked pretty smoothly right out of the box without a lot of trial and error. The first pull request I tested it on was a Python project, and it left really clear comments about potential logic issues, missing doc strings, and even inconsistent naming. These are the kinds of things that often slip through when you're moving fast. It felt like a real senior dev was checking my code and pointing out things that improve long-term readability and maintainability, not just whether the code runs. The cool part is that it supports multiple languages, so I even tested it with some JavaScript code and set the review output to Korean just to see how accurate it was. Even then, it still kept the technical words in English, like function names and library references, which is really nice and avoids confusion when reviewing code across different languages or teams. The only thing that tripped me up a little was how GPU intensive the models are. You definitely need strong hardware, especially if you're using something like the 32B or 70B models, which offer deeper analysis but require more resources. I tried running it on a smaller GPU, and it was noticeably slower, so that's something to keep in mind if you're planning to run everything locally. What I liked most was how seamlessly it integrated into GitHub. The AI comments just appeared under the pull request like any other reviewer, which means there's no new interface to learn and no extra tools to manage. On the flip side, I think it could improve in giving a bit more context sometimes, like explaining why something's risky, or offering alternative code snippets instead of just pointing out the issue. Overall, I'd say Ollama Code Review is great for developers or small teams that want to automate part of their review workflow but still want everything private and local. It saves time, catches small issues early, and helps maintain consistency across projects, especially when you're working on multiple repos or switching between different code bases. I'm definitely planning to keep using it, especially for my solo projects where I don't have another developer to review my code. In those situations, having an automated reviewer can really help prevent bad habits from creeping in. So yeah, that's been my experience with Ollama Code Review, a solid privacy-focused AI reviewer that actually feels helpful. If you found this review useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns like this one.